Alright guys, so we're adding to our video collection, and today we have a 13 Tucson Tucson, and we're going to put this puppy in since that's all we can get in this wonderful era. So we're going to take the radio out. It's actually not hard. It's actually on an angle outward, so if you look at the clips, they're actually angled downwards, so you sort of have to clip or pull up and out on an angle. Alright, and you got two screws here, 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's 4 right there, right? But to get this puppy out, I use this guy carefully in between the corners. Alright, and you sort of work your way out. Now, I had one of these, which looked like one of these, but ended up like one of these, because I tried using that and it wasn't strong enough. And I just snapped it. No worries, I got more of them. The little plastic fiber sticks they're called. So we'll be right back with pulling the radio out. Alright, pretty simple. This just pulls out. That's your antenna for AM, FM. Here's your little clip for the actual built-in satellite radio. Just push down on that. This should lock into place, but it didn't seem to want to move, but whatever. And this, same thing. Push, pull, push and pull. So we're going to read the instructions on how to do this. Actually, we're not going to do that at all. We're just going to mount the radio. It is technically a doubled in / singled in. So we'll see. Took it all apart already. Start putting it together and see where we land. Alright guys, so this is just a test fit. We still got to run the USB. But this screen, I've never seen this before, but actually moves up and down, I guess depending on car and how it's going to fit. And I don't know if this thing's actually going to fit, to be honest. So we're going to play with it to get an idea of what, there's a curve on this thing. Looks like it sits this way. I'm wondering if it turns. Let's see if it turns. I'm going to be breaking this thing. I'm going to put this thing on pause. I'll be right back. Well, I found the problem. I actually mounted the radio upside down. So, boss has to be on top. Hello. So, there is a taper right here. You can see it looks like a little trapezoid type thing. And this actually moves up and down. So, we got it to fit so far. So, this is just test fitting. This thing's pretty big, but we're getting there. I'm just going to wire it up. Shouldn't be that bad. Got steering wheel control. Also not bad. So we're going to do that and be back. Just to show you how test fit. So we can clear this guy. So we're getting there. Be back. Alright, so we're back with this harness that we got from Metra. Customer supplied. And it actually gave us just about everything we needed. Just go color for color. And the steering wheel control is actually, here's your Boss ones we didn't need. Tape them off. And here is the steering wheel control off of the main harness, which also nice. Color coded for Metra. This is not a Metra piece, but it's the same thing. It's only a ground for the steering wheel control and the actual data for the steering wheel control. That's all you really need. And it gives you VSS if you have navigation, but we won't need that in this application. So, moving on to the mic. I took this guy off. This just pops off right in front of the steering wheel. And I got my handy dandy snake here, which goes right through the dash. And look, it's moving. Haha, that's moving. Makes use of snake wires. So it's actually one big zip tie from HVAC, and there's our mic. Come pull, and we're gonna pull until there is no more wire. Where yet? Where's Mr. Wire? Sorry for the throwing up type video, but I love this Afro 70s microphone. I love this thing. But anyway, I will put it right there, which I think is the best, rather than up here, which most people do, or here, which most people do, but it's next to the window, and this is next to the visor. So I like it there. Your voice travels forward, not around. So we're gonna start buttoning this thing up, plug her in, see if everything works, and we will be back. Alright guys, so we got the key on. Here's the moment of truth. Here's your Afro ball microphone, if you can see that. Let's see if I can get it. There you go. There's your Afro balls. Holy hell! Agree! And it works. So we are on, what are we on, FM? Right, that's what we wanted. And let's see if the steering wheel works. Ooh, let's pull this off. There we go. Now we can see everything in reflection. Here's your channel up. I did not plug in the antenna. It's kind of short. I'm going to leave that last. But I'm going to show you. Please zip tie this steering wheel control, whichever one you have. Don't let it dangle in the dash. Just do that favor. So it will stop working. It will make noise. It will do whatever you think it's going to do. But everything's all plugged in. There's only 3. I like these new radios where it's like not much of anything. There's no camera. USB, we ran down into the dash. Make you sick right now. Came out here. And you don't have to do this. This factory USB will not work with aftermarket CarPlay or Android Auto. You have to go aftermarket. I do not have the extension. We didn't go over it, but you could have left it in here, over there, in the glove. That's all up to you. But we're going to put it all back. We're going to undo this, and then we should be good to go. I will take a video of the last look, but give me another second. Alright guys, so here's the final product. Everything's back in. We have antenna. And that big, huge handprint is absolutely free. If you can see that right there. That is a freebie. Oh, wait. I can't have music on. They'll violate me. So, this works. This works. Hello. 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 And there you have it. So, like it, don't like it. Ha! That's funny. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thank you for watching.